Hi there, Home and Piecers. It's Leah here. So I am excited to welcome you to Home and Piece and to the final recap of the 1 week a month cooking. Hey, but before we get too far, consider subscribing below, commenting, or even just liking the video if you like it. Your response and your feedback is super helpful to me as a new video blogger. So thanks a ton. So let's get going. I am excited to welcome you to the final recap of 1 week a month cooking. We have been loving it in our household. It has been so great. And I am even saving money, which I didn't. It's not a surprise, honestly, because going to the store, you always binge spend and you always end up spending more on things you just don't need. So it has been great, and I can't wait to show you how I organized the meals that we have left over. So let me show you what we've got here. So we always do spaghetti on Mondays, tacos on Tuesdays, and then pizza on Fridays. And then I think we're gonna start a new trend for steaks on Thursdays with potatoes, whether it's mashed potatoes, because we only have one loaded potato left, or whatever. So, and then we put our pulled porks on Wednesday, and then I love sloppy joes and how easy they are. So Saturday I love just to do a lot of hard work in the house, a lot of fun with the kids. I don't like thinking about making meals on the weekends, and so lasagna is our favorite, so we're gonna save that. And Pizza Hut sent us a coupon, so we're gonna do pizza this coming Sunday. So that is what it looks like for us, guys. And let me show you what these meals look like so far after being frozen and then re-cooked or reheated. So let me get you those photos. Alright guys, so that is what we have for our meals coming up, and I cannot tell you, I am a total firm believer in quadrupling your meals if you can do it. So, and once a month shopping is so much easier than trying to think and plan every single week out, because I know if you're anything like me, I get to my meal planning day and I'm like, oh, I don't have time for it, I'll figure it out. And then I go shopping without having a meal plan. And then I end up spending money on things I don't need and then I won't use, and it's just really difficult and hard. So having these recipes on hand to know which ones you can quadruple, which ones you can't, has been just so helpful for me, especially the pizza, the spaghetti, and the lasagna. I love having lasagna. Like, I thought lasagna was hard too, but it's not. So once you get that sauce made and you have all the ingredients in the fridge because you know you're gonna have it for that month, it makes it so much easier. So a couple of side notes that I realized and wanted to share with you was that cabbage is an awesome substitute for lettuce, and it's got a lot of health properties to it as well. But if you want something that's gonna last a long time, cabbage is your friend. So I love it. That's what we had with our tacos. I was so surprised at how long cabbage lasts. And so think about that when you go shopping for fresh fruits and vegetables. Carrots last a long time too, and I've been loving those. And then those tomatoes, those grape tomatoes from Sam's Club, those surprisingly last a long time if I leave them out in the sun. If you have any questions or want to know anything more, if you have recipes you want us to try, please just put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys on that. It's so fun to interact, and I just enjoy doing this. So I look forward to showing you some new videos that I haven't done yet that I'm excited to show you some tips and tricks on how to make your house and your home peaceful. So this is a journey I'm on, and I'm happy you're here with me. Do this life together in some ways. So take care.